account and connect your data platforms in just a few minutes. We'll go through a seamless workflow from account setup to platform integration. Let's begin setting up your new account in Trufelo Studio. To set up your account, enter your email address. You'll get a 6-digit verification code at this email address. Now set a password by clicking the password field. Your password must be minimum 8 characters long and can be a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters such as hyphens. Re-enter your password in the Confirm Password field. Enter exactly same password as entered in the above field. Click Create Account to finalize your registration. Enter the 6-digit code sent to your email to verify your email address. Click Verify to continue. You will be presented with the onboarding screen. Enter your details, then click Continue. Click Continue to proceed to the next step of onboarding. Your account has been created successfully. Now you can click Connect Platforms to start connecting your marketing and analytics platforms. Now, we'll proceed to connect your marketing or analytics account and seamlessly synchronize your data. Click Integrations tab to open the Integrations section where you can connect platforms. Trufelo Studio uses industry-standard encryption and secure data transfer to keep your data safe. You can disconnect any platform at any time. The integration screen displays all the platforms that can be connected to Trufelo. Select a platform you want to integrate and follow the setup instructions. For this demonstration, we'll connect Google Analytics account to Trufelo Studio in just a few clicks. Click Connect to start linking your Google Analytics account with Trufelo Studio. You will be redirected to the Google sign-in page where you can securely authenticate your account. Select your Google Analytics account on this step. Click Continue to proceed. Select the checkbox to allow Trufelo Studio to access your Google Analytics data. Now finally click Continue to complete the authorization process. You will be redirected back to the Trufelo Studio to configure your Google Analytics property. Select your website property to be integrated with Trufelo Studio. Now save configuration to save your integration settings securely. Your Google Analytics property has been successfully connected to Trufelo Studio and is ready to analyze data, including website traffic, user behavior, and conversions. We have successfully created and configured an account in Trufelo Studio, including verification and platform integration. Get started today by setting up your account and start analyzing your marketing data.